No slaw extra toast because we don't fuck with coleslaw.
Boy.
What's up, boy?
Exhaust cut off. Might replace it. Probably not.
What's up? Alright, so it's Friday night. We chilling at the shop.
Big chill.
Max chilling.
Max chilling. Full cooling.
Getting everything done that we can to get ready for the season.
Yeah, you ain't wrong.
No.
He's getting his clutch in with help from Boa.
You see him right there?
There he in the shot.
I'm here now, boy.
You in.
He out here.
But yeah, he putting a new comp stage 3 clutch in his IS300 with help from Quantity 1 head ass boy.
Big boy number 2.
Big boy season. Man. Yeah, I just pulled every panel off this car.
I'll be pulling the panels.
Yep, panels are pulled. We're gonna finish painting the E36 this weekend. Berto's coming through, so we're gonna get that all done. Look at this. We just put this on right now.
Get that. Here it comes.
I'm super hyped. It's gonna be a good little productive weekend. Hopefully Sunday we can put this thing back together. And he's gonna be driving his car home at some point this weekend.
Hopefully.
Nah, if he helping. Oh. Thankfully he's here, otherwise I wouldn't have a Milwaukee Impact to use all weekend. But luckily Dylan came through and loaned me my Milwaukee Impact.
Yeah, I got you.
Thanks.
Wait, he loaned you your Milwaukee?
Yeah, that's, yep.
Word. Alright.
This my shooter.
I'm gonna need to use that.
That is the weapon.
That's why he came over here. He didn't even come over to hang out. He just need the impact.
Yeah, no.
He's like, yo, you got that 3/8 though?
But yeah, it's goddamn Friday night, and the whole gang's here. So
I'm just excited to hopefully get some driving done this weekend. It's supposed to be like not as nice as last weekend, but it's supposed to be like nice enough to hopefully like get the cars out,
oh, yeah.
do a little cruising,
little street shenanigans.
Maybe you. I got
a small amount.
Yeah.
Down in Mexico. Quick trip.
Yeah, I gotta make sure that clutch works.
Oh, it'll work.
It'll work.
It'll be slick. It's a Toyota. You don't have no problems.
That's true. That's true. No, I'm excited. I'm excited to see how this clutch feels and everything too. I think it's gonna be like super, you know.
Oh, it's gonna bite.
Snappy.
You're going from a what stock 2J
probably
NA
half fried
clutch
at some point.
Oh yeah, completely cooked to a comp stage 3 with a new flywheel. You did a light flywheel, right?
I did a comp lightweight W58 flywheel. So going from W55 to W58,
Okay.
dual mass. It's also supposed to like rev better, and there's just a lot of benefits that people have said come from it. Plus, going all red line, the gear oil.
Oh yeah,
I can get
fresh fluid.
That butter smooth. Back
The
and
butter
forth.
ships.
The butter ships.
I don't know, it's still a W55, dog. Shit.
Yeah.
No, it'll be solid, I bet.
I'm excited.
DM's coming up.
DM's coming
Hopefully
up.
that don't get canceled due to
The Coronas.
the Coronas. That would be no fun.
I was supposed to go to Long Beach and film for Alec.
Oh my
Canceled.
God.
I feel bad for Eric, dog. He road tripped down to Texas 2K.
Oh yeah. No, that's.
And then all of a sudden they're like, by the way, Coronas.
That's wild. 14 cases now in Minnesota.
I mean,
maybe
cases,
more.
but nobody
wrong.
getting that sick from it.
You ain't wrong.
Yeah.
You know what's dumb? So I got this stupid tag on my key that says "removed before flight."
Oh, there
we
we go.
good. We good. How you gonna remove this and then fly?
What's the retard button for?
Oh, the retard button. That little button right there. Well, that's because I run an F-body oil pan. So that is for the AccuSump. Because I put an F-body oil pan in this thing. When I'm drifting, I can kick that on. That's my security system.
Your oil pressure goes
Yep,
right back
goes
up.
right back to yeet status. So I'll put some hot boy lights on the inside. And then yeah.
That means that this one's gonna have to say party mode on it.
Party, and the other one, I don't know. I don't know yet.
You got starty, retardy, and party.
Starty, retard, and pard.
And pard.
Pard. Gonna partake in shenanigans soon. Hopefully, I don't think they're gonna shut down DM though, for real.
I don't think there's a reason to shut down DM.
It's a small event too.
Yeah.
There, I think it would be Brainerd shutting it down before anything.
Yeah.
Hopefully not, because I'm trying to go party. Are you driving up there?
I'm planning on it, yeah. I mean, I kind of want to like adjust my suspension while I'm here too. I want to see if like, because my preload is like at like the softest setting right now. I don't know if tightening that up a little bit.
Tighten her up a little bit.
Yeah, see if I can lose some of that. See if I can lose some of that roll.
Yeah. Did you see Alex said he's coming to fucking DM?
Robbins?
Yeah.
Really?
That's the new plan because FD got canceled. So they posted today that yeah, we gonna tangle with some pro boys.
Damn, y'all still talking?
We still bullshitting on the camera.
Super hot fire, boy. Aliens.
Well, let's go check out the Lexus.
You got some bolt issues? Like way like creepy.
I just can't get it.
Wait a minute.
Boy. Man!
I like this doorless feature though. It's kind of like stepping out the rolls.
Stepping out the rolls. Dog.
Dog.
He said right through.
She spun.
Man!
Boy, these drive shaft bolts about bent as fuck. No, I'm just kidding.
Man, that is a stripped ass drive shaft bolt. We thrown it back in though.
Boy! Ride home?
Boy, I'll walk. I don't give a fuck.
So I'm gonna call it Uber.
Hell no, that shit too expensive. Nah, I get the Corona if I do that.
It's a nice impact. Where'd you get that?
Dog, I bought it off the fucking truck. Paid about $300 more than I should have.
Damn.
Fuck.
Don't fucking
I lost that bolt.
at me next time, alright?
Come off around it.
Yeah, I know. She's like fucking bonded on here, boyo. What's going on the sides here? Maybe that's what it is.
Two head-ass boys, one IS300.
Damn, he put me on blast.
See you after we get some food, maybe?
Canes. We're gonna be eating
Yeah,
Canes in a
we're
little
looking
bit.
for a sponsorship by the hey, you want some chicken today, head asses? Huh?
You want a Canes?
I'm down.
It's about to be rowdy, dog.
What I got on my fucking head right here? Did you already get the trans bolts out? Yeah, he got most of them though. Oh, yeah, big dog. Yeah. Boy, guess what? It's a fucking nice ass clutch. Why are your bolts oiled down?
Boy, there's oil on the bolt.
I'll keep that in my thing on me, boy.
getting that silver back, boy?
Ooh, hey.
Oh, sorry.
Calm your shit. Look at the bottom of this cart. Y'all cleaning this cart, not me. This thing was greasy. It's gonna look good when it's all done, though. All right.
We got that pressure.
We're just gonna stand over here. We gonna hit it with a. Oh
yeah. Go come clean someday. Kind of like taking a piss. Morning piss. Just don't end.
A very weak stream. This me in the morning after some drinking the night before here.
Hits him with the young Niagara.
Get that box combo.
No slaw extra toast because we don't fuck with coleslaw.
Man, fuck coleslaw.
Man, that watery ass shit, man.
I don't want no fucking watery rabbit food. He got all cleaned. It's cleaned.
You go lick off this motherfucker.
I probably wouldn't. Would you eat some chicken fingers off that motherfucker?
No, you put some cane sauce on those chicken shit. You put some. You put.
He said I put you. Who need red Loctite when you got cane sauce in your crank?
That's what I'm saying, dog.
God damn. Fuck. Okay, well, we should go get canes now that we're actually done making a video. We actually done making a video for tonight. We come back tomorrow. I gotta empty this memory card.
We full, boys.
All right. Peace. What you doing?
My down pipe. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Just put it.
Grow up?
Grow up. Put it back in there.
Glow up?
Just put it back in the
tube.
in the quiet. In the shut up pipe.
Still a Honda.
It is still.
Media god in the building.
That's all you got. That's all you got. That's all you got.
What's going on? So it's the next day. We're at the shop. All the panels are off the BMW. Just got all those done. Cleaned all the doors up too. There's like a whole bunch of this, like the goop. If you have an E36, you know what I'm talking about. This stuff. I left a little bit because like this isn't a touch part of the door. But I cleaned all this up all the way around the edge. So that's all clean now and good. We're actually gonna get painting tomorrow. So yeah, everything's ready. Just got pitch up the booth and should be good to go. Tyler got his clutch all back in, which is tight. So that thing should be out of here pretty quick. I think they're just finishing, like they took out the clutch dampener and stuff like that, but yep. That's where we're at today so far.
Talk, what's up? What's going on?
Tell me what's going on with this.
Building downpipe, 3-inch stainless steel. Recert. Built B16 motor. Got 6262 on there. Should make it easy 600 wheel.
Easy.
Easy.
Huh. What are you gonna put it down through these 205s? Hell yeah. Shit looks so baller.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, everything's off the car, ready to get scuffed down and sprayed. Just have the hood way over there. We're gonna get that done. We just, need to scuff everything pretty much. Matt, you want to scuff?
Got 2 speakers. Now it's 1.
We'll get this thing all dialed in though. I can't wait to see it one color. So we're just gonna paint tomorrow. I don't really have anything else for today. We'll get back tomorrow.
Yo, damn, Bridge Squad.